Hard-working Livemac epocally serves beef cattle and dairy farmers hand and foot. L325 roller-type round baler is developed by devoting the most advanced IT and combative spirit, opening the new chapter for bale process. Four cutting-edge techniques were applied to L325 round baler, which make round bales with 2-meter crop inflow section, a diameter of 1.25 meters and a width of 1.2 meters. Counter-measuring system for inflow crop volume controls a regular inflow amount of crops during operation. Automatic netting device improves the quality and shape of bale. Crop cutting device in a load balancing type is automatically controlled according to the inflow amount during crop cutting operation. Round baler L325, which is supervision system for easily occurring accidents during driving and operation, is applied by installing dual adjustment device for bale pressure that sustains uniform bale pressure through doubly sensing bale pressure in addition to rear camera. Is a next generation baler integrated with the most advanced technology. 2-meter wide range pickup minimizes crop loss and smooths crop inflow. Automatic oiling device lessens the loss of roller power in addition to heightening durability of drive section and inner abrasion. It is an innovative product, elevating durability of baler by installing 2-way gearbox, minimizing power loss by dispersing tractor driving power to rotor and roller driving power. Also, the inconvenience of frequently looking back is completely solved, as the TFT LCD touchscreen control device, which integrated Korea's world-best IT and heavy construction vehicle technology, controls the baler's hydraulic system and electronic system through touch screen. Maintenance became easier by modular manufacture of each function, such as LCD touchscreen containing self-diagnosis function for users to easily find the abnormal parts of machine, as well as pick up inflow section, cutting device section, bale chamber section, and netting device section. Prompt after service works for convenience, as well as excellent safety. The most advanced round baler made by Korea's IT is proudly presented to you.